TechnoGIMP, Module 14. Select Me. Overview. Situation. As a freelance graphic designer, one of the services you offer in the freelance marketplace is removing the background of images. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Remove a solid background by using the Fill tool and adjusting the opacity. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Freelancer. A self-employed person who offers services, often working on several jobs for multiple clients at the same time. Marketplace. A platform where vendors can come together to sell their products or services to a curated customer base. Online service refers to any information and service provided over the internet. These services not only allow subscribers to communicate with each other, but also provide unlimited access to information. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then, tap the menu button. Number 2. Locate and select the image you want to edit. Number 3. The image should then appear on the canvas. Number 4. To remove the solid background color, go to the Tools menu and select Fill. Tap the color chooser and select Transparent. Then, tap Done. Number 5. Tap the background. Notice that the background color was then removed. Repeat this process for the small areas that still have the background color. Number 6. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.